Hello, today I would like to show you the integration of the Profinet gateway of PSR-Modular into the PLCnext Engineer software. So first we will look into the integration in the PLCnext Engineer, and in the second step we will go online. First we will select the controller. In this case we have used an AXC 1152. In the first step we will open the project now, and in this project we now look under online devices. Set the network card correctly and search according to the online devices. So we select the displayed control and see if the settings fit. The next step, we go to File and insert the device description file if it's not yet integrated in the software. This file is on our desktop. The device description file is stored in the eShop under the corresponding gateway. The file has now been installed, and we are now looking at how we can integrate it. Via Profinet we can integrate it automatically by going to Online Devices and searching for the online devices. Now we select the gateway and add the device via the corresponding button. The module has now been automatically integrated into the Profinet communication. Now we still have the possibility to change the IP address, the subnet mask and the Profinet name. Via the fieldbus inputs and system I/O modules we can now look into the data in detail and view it once. In the button Data List we see all the variables. These are described exactly and you can find them again one by one. It is the same with the system I/O data. Even if we look at the data list here, we see that the data are completely written out. In order to go online now, we have to link the existing process data with variables. I've prepared a list here, and we now link it with the process data. To do this, we can now simply click on the right and use the drag and drop to find the system data. I have now done this once for all data, and we now go online to the module. For this we use Connect and then Write and Start Project. Now we are online on the project and we can already see the online values here. We now look at the input data and see that the system status is set. The input is set in the same way. We let it toggle by removing and adding the bit. I put the input signal on an output, and so we see in the lower part that this output is toggling as well. Yeah, this was already the integration of the Profinet gateway into the PLCnext controller. You can find further information in the manual and datasheets on our website.